guys and girls, good morning to each every one of you. We're now here in Kamsur. We do the shortcuts instead of heading to Naga proper. The driver got this way for me to get there on time in Legazpi. We already had a 2 stopovers a while ago. The one in Sipokot, and the other one is Pamplona, Kamsur also, Camarines Sur. I wasn't able to
yung Bicol dyan ha, yung
get
bababaan, paalala lang. Alam nyo naman siguro
step out in this van because I feel so lazy and I had my sleep instead. I think I may be able to catch up the procession, guys and girls. The driver is quite fast on driving this van. There's no sun at all, but I think there will be no rain to come. Senior San Roque wouldn't allow to have rain for us to get the procession be more meaningful and wonderful later this afternoon. I didn't also have my lunch or snacks because I'm not in the mood to eat, so I only had my M&M's chocolates. So enjoy the nature tripping. Bye for now. Give you an updates.